Hello, hello, G45ers. Amy here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, here to introduce the lovely collector's edition Mon Amour. This collection is gorgeous and celebrates everything love and romanticism. So come along here for the tour of Mon Amour with me. The 8x8 sheets of paper, these are sold in a set where you're gonna get 3 of each of these beautiful papers. This, of course, is our signature page that sets the tone of the line. As you can see, so many gorgeous images in there that you can just cut apart and use those for perhaps like a Valentine card or something to celebrate like a wedding or your loved one. Such a beautiful line, as you can see on this really dramatic black backdrop. You have those beautiful roses in the ivory, pink, and of course the traditional red that celebrates love. The B side, you have a nice ditzy paper there. These are available also, of course, in our 12x12s. This is a really fun cut apart sheet, one and only. Really fun borders there, as well as some different little like stamps. And the B side, you have a really fun floral ditzy. Here we have a nice collage page that has just all of these cute couples, and on the B side you can use it with the cursive there. I love that for the backdrop of like a card or on a mini album. Here we have a really fun diamond page called Heart's Desire on the A side, and on the B side a really nice pink design there. Here it is, My Beloved, and this is a great cut apart page. And these are perfect for card toppers, as well as just adding into a mini, of course. And so in this collection, you can get all of these sheets of paper in the 8x8 as well as in the 12x12. They are available currently on our website at g45papers.com, or of course at your local G45 partner to grab those in person. As you can see, the peachy pink ink of G45s match perfectly, as well as the natural linen and classic black, as well as our ivory trim. This, of course, for this collector's edition, we do have the wonderful dimensional chipboard that's available. We have a few cards that are examples from our volume 12 G45 card kit. Look how beautiful this card is. This is available under our kits. So if you already want something that's ready to go, check these out. If you want cards, if you want an album, we have this gorgeous album that you make from scratch. And we also have another video that will link for both the cards and the album. And these kits are available on our website again at g45papers.com.